Hi, my name is Rudy. I'm down here at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. I'm here to show off the 2014 Leisure Travel Unity 24MB. We are the home of the #1 premium pre-owned dealership in the whole United States, and this is hand selected by our buying department. They're very thorough in their buying process. They ensure that it hasn't been in accidents. They do a lifestyle interview, making sure that hasn't been smoked in, no pet smells, all those things. We're going to walk around the outside, go inside, and help you go out there RVing. So this is on the Mercedes Sprinter's chassis. This is full body paint. We'll walk around the outside. Easy access entry here. Not going to slide, not going to slip. It's raining right now. You do have the slide topper over the top. This does have a slide in the living room, which I'll show you when we go inside. Frameless windows up top. Frameless windows there. You do have, let's go through this here together. Down here you're going to have your outside shower. This can be an access point for a lot of things that you need to use. And over here is going to be where you do your tanks, your black tank, your gray tanks, sandy flush, and your propane fill is going to be here, and your propane shutoff switch. This is equipped with a backup camera. I'll show you back here. You have it there. Your hitch is going to be down there, and you do have the ladder option as well, so you can get up on the roof, clean it, get up there, watch a sunset, whatever you want to do. Over here we are going to have a really expansive storage unit outside. It is ducting, so you do get heat in here if you would like. And there is an access point in the bathroom, which I will show you when we go inside. Down here is going to be a little bit more storage, and the next one's going to be our generator. So it is a diesel generator. That is an upgraded option. 3200 will run directly off your gas tank. Exhaust for your furnace, access point for your fridge, dual plugs 110. You do have an awning up top. Over here, let's see what we have. Ba-bum. We have more storage. Storage galore. So let's go inside now. So as you can see, again, non-skid, low entry point. You're not having to do that big step up. Come up in here. And this is the Murphy bed option. Up front, we do have ultra leather fabrics. There's going to be your screen for the backup camera. Mercedes chassis, just over 31,000 miles. We do have storage up here as well, so no overhead bunk. This really just utilizes all this space. Over here, we will have a closet. There are hooks in here, great storage options. Additional storage down here. This does come down, covers this up for when you're in the middle of the night. You don't have to worry about being groggy, wiping your eyes, and falling down there, twisting an ankle, and ruining a trip. Push of a button, TV comes up. Little tip, when you go to push it down, hands right there, push it right down. Corian countertops, additional storage up here. I'm talking 3 storage spots up here. Push that down, bam. U-shaped dinette here. The Murphy bed is electric. Push of a button is going to be up here. You have the stainless steel sink right here, and this is heavy. I mean, we got solid Corian tops here. 2 burner, ran off the LP. Additional storage here. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Thank God I went to school. Over here, more storage down there. Storage up here, lighting, backsplash. There's for like spices, whatever you want to put in there. And then there is a counter extension as well. This does come off. That's a common question, so it's easy to rinse it off. Fridge is going to be here. It's a 3-way fridge. Freezer compartment's going to be here as well. Microwave up top. This isn't it. This is, let me think of the word. This is a convection microwave. Thank you for being patient. Over here we're going to have the pantry area. And then back here is a ton of massive storage. So wait till you see this. Huge closet space, huge additional underneath. And then down here, we're going to have additionally 2 more drawers. Very deep, very useful. And remember I told you about the access point to that outside storage? That is going to be right here. And then you do have a medicine cabinet. So you can see you have a window here. When you go to take a shower, hey, close it up, have a little privacy. Mirrors are there, storage on each side. Sink is going to be here, solid surface countertops again. Tons of room for you back here. You could literally change, 2 people could be in this area. Towel racks here, towel racks there, additional storage here. You do have an exhaust fan here to pull out all that steam, and then a big shower in here. Huge shower. I mean, tons of space. Get in here, take your shower. Give us a call. My name's Rudy. You could ask for me, ask for anyone in here. We are family owned, family driven. We just want to help you get out there and create some memories. Take care.